He's all fucked. Welcome guys, and another video. We're gonna camp once more inside of the woods. We're gonna do hikes. We're gonna visit a nice medieval restaurant, and I'm gonna take you along this 2-day trip with one another fella. Turn the camera. And right now we're doing a hike, and after that we'll be eating some medieval lunch. Bit of a dangerous situation here. We have to cross this river, and I'll show a good technique on how you can do it. You made it, guys, come on.
Yeah.
Whoa! Guys, this bridge isn't that stable no more. Looks like it's about to crack. If a fat dude would stand on this shit, totally fall down.
Walk, buddy.
Wait, I need to go with the road. Looks like clay. Let's move on. Taking in all the oxygen in the forest.
Crazy bird.
Crazy bird, guys. Orange, gold, what was it? Maybe you guys can let me know in the comments. I ain't that familiar with birds and shit.
Always on his phone.
Oh man, I just trying to see the route we're walking on to. I don't want to go to the wrong places, you know.
Right.
Yeah.
Buddy.
You keep holding that camera.
Alright. Keep on walking, buddy.
Yeah, that's all you gotta do. Hold your camera, shut up. Another obstacle on the road. Gotta keep on moving forward. There's another obstacle, follow me. These are totally edibles, guys. Trust me. Nah, don't trust me. Whoa. So right now we're at a little restaurant. Time to fuel ourselves for the camping we've got ahead. Let's feast, man. Let's feast. Evil. Wat was jij aan het filmen? That's so good, man. We're enjoying our times here. Coffee, good little stew from chicken.
Just ate a good meal at the Mother de Geese. And right now, we're going to a camping spot. It's about a 20-minute drive. So yeah, I'm excited.
We're excited. We're gonna look for a spot to camp in this beautiful place. Lots of wine, lots of happiness.
Yeah.
Just got out of the car. We're gonna search for a camp spot. What are these guys gonna do? Do you know it? I don't. Yeah. Separate the mind and the body. As long as one of them is holding up, we'll keep forward. It was like 20 meters from us, and suddenly I see it sprint away.
Fucking crazy.
After quite the hike, we found a location to set up our tent. This time it's a tent, not a tarp. As you can see, it's the perfect location. Ain't nobody gonna see us here. Can light a fire. Got quite a nice view going on as well. Go to this side. Look at that, man. You wake up and you see that. Nothing better than that, is there?
Wow.
Wow. We spotted another deer. Keep it down, keep it down. Jim. Ja, ja. 2. Look at them hopping around. Holy fuck. Oh, this shit is crazy.
Sick.
God damn, man. We're gonna sleep in between. Maybe they'll join us in our little tent.
So we found a new spot.
Yeah.
Tell us about it.
The other spot was a bit close to other people. We saw people walking by this, so we thought we need to change that. So now we got a very nice spot because there's a bit of hill going on, like it's going downwards.
Yeah.
So the other people don't see us, and same goes for this side. So we're totally hidden in this little spot right here.
Yes, sir. It's perfect.
Perfect.
So let's set up the tent.
Yeah. Guys, we made it. We're inside our little hut.
Sir.
And it's very big, as you can see. Took some time, but we finally got it done. Only need to place the floor. Then we got ourselves a little tent.
Little tent.
Yeah. So we set up our tent, and now we're gonna make a fire, guys. Can't wait till we have the fire firing and the fire going. Till we have the fire going. Maybe we'll light up a little stogie, have some whiskey, you know, because it's a fun session. I'm trying to have fun right now, you know. That's important in life. Als je dan een stukje hebt gesneden, dan kan je hem gewoon. We found some dry wood, alright. Look at this. Yeah. Fuck. So we got the fire going super fast because we're getting very pro at this, you know. We're learning this type of stuff. Got some dry wood. What's the as heen?
Yeah.
It's gonna be good.
Oh yeah. Right.
I'm just gonna sneak this one in.
Wow.
My gift to you.
Thanks, man.
Just shut up and eat it, man. Come on.
Thanks.
No, let it go.
Eat it.
Ooh, we're getting close, we're getting close.
Alright, Axel. It's enough. Tijd.
Ons op tijd maar uitstuk. Some whiskey to keep us warm.
Yeah.
So we heard some crazy sounds just then, and we aren't that familiar with that type of stuff, so we had no idea what it was. It could be a fox, it could be a wolf, it could be anything. So we also so we were very scared and we fled into the tent. But watching it back, it was probably an owl or something. But the fire's going crazy. Very nice.
So we gathered some wood to dry. A whole bunch, as you can see. It's all going in the hands.
I don't know, this is very safe. No, I'm just joking. We all got it under control, man. We are specialists, pros. We know what we do. And I'm warming my balls by the fire. And breads be baking real good. Gonna throw a little bit of onion there, cause you know, is there anything better than warm fresh bread? Warm fresh bread with honey butter.
Yeah. Oh.
Alright guys, we're gonna sleep now. We got the fire out. We're so thirsty for water, so we got some. We got our pan here and our glasses. Because one water ball is just totally lost. We have no idea where it is, so yeah, that's that kind of sucks. But after that, we are gonna sleep, and then I'll see you guys in the morning. We lost the fucking water. Let's settle now. We don't have other choice. I'm so thirsty, man.
This is the way. Holding the tent
You're so smart.
and waiting for the water to come. And there it is. Oh, that's good, man.
Oh, we're in our sleeping bags. We our tent is kind of leaking. There's everywhere there's water dropping on our face. Just right now. Hey, good morning, guys. We just woke up. We had quite a good night's rest. Wasn't that cold. We were both very, very warm. And now we're gonna make a fire. Oh no, we're not gonna make a fire. We're just gonna eat breakfast and then we'll be on our way back into the car. Maybe we'll grab a quick coffee. But yeah, still need to break off the tent too, by the way.
It's cold, man.
Oh.
Making some bread.
Yeah. Cleaning up the tent. We're leaving, man. We're leaving. Hey, got the tent stuff.
Fuck. Alright, let's break up the tent.
Let's break up the fucking tent, man. So we cleaned up all the stuff, leave no traces behind. Because you don't want to leave any plastic in nature, very bad. We're gonna pick this up, so don't worry. We won't leave this behind. And if we see some water on the way back from the hike, because we need to go downhill right now. We might do a cold plunge, but that depends if we see some water. And yeah, I'm gonna head back to the car. Oh no, first coffee in the cafe. And then I'll see you guys in the hike. Yeah, so we made it from the hike. Look what we found. Totally abandoned little cabin. And imagine, you can sleep in here because it's just totally abandoned, nobody lives here. And even a little chair, another chair, a few benches, little roof over here. It's ideal, man, it's ideal, little trekking set. Guys, we found we saw a fox hunting a rabbit or something, because it was sprinting like crazy at something. Maybe, yeah, there. It's behind that little. Yeah, there it is. There it is. I think it's his shelter. It's totally covered. It's somewhere between all them little sticks and bushes there. That's crazy. I don't want to wake him up. That was crazy. I saw it sprint. Well, it was quite big. I didn't know foxes were that big. I could wake him up, but huh?
Yeah. Doe. Klap.
I don't want to disturb it that much, because it's just an animal, but yeah. Crazy. It's insane, man. I never saw a fox in my life before. In the wild then, huh? But it was so big, man. It was so big.
Crazy. Alright. Let's head back.
Yeah, let's head back.
It's fucking crazy, isn't
Bro, I think if we if we stay here for like 15 minutes or something, we'll see him, no doubt, but we have places to go, so yeah, you don't have all day, but it's crazy, man. I think it's still in that little shelter of his, just taking a nap, you know, or maybe having a delicious meal, maybe a rabbit, squirrel, something like that, because it was going like crazy, it was sprinting. But yeah, let's just take a coffee and see you guys there.
Sure.
Some exquisite chickens right there.
I'm picking my camera, little boy.
Look at this medieval little place they got. Beautiful restaurant, man. Guys, that was the end of the video. I hope y'all enjoyed this one. I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay lively.